Okay, I'm gonna see what I got for Christmas. I got some presents right here. I'm gonna be unwrapping. Alright. I'll take this one out first. Let's see what we got in this one. Yep, looks like some clothing right here. Yep, got some clothing. Alright, I sat down and I could reach it better and get things out of the basket. This feels soft. Maybe it's probably another clothing or something. I'm gonna see what's in it. Let's see what I got. Oh. Okay, I guess it's just toilet paper. Alright. I need to save some time on this YouTube short because I don't have enough time to record everything. So, I'm gonna try to grab this out. This feels heavy. Hold on, I might need it. Okay, there we go, I got it out. Let me guess, this is probably a lava lamp? No, it's a bottle of soda or something. At first I thought it was actually like a lava lamp or something, but no, it's just a bottle of soda. Got Pib Extra, I guess. I gotta hurry up and open these presents before the video ends. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Yep. Got that right there. Yep. Oh shoot. Oh no. Sorry guys, I dropped my phone on accident. Need to open this. Got some soap right there. Yep, see that? Milky Mountain Mist